Here is a simple recipe for chicken buns. Ingredients: 1 pound ground chicken, 1 small onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 package of store-bought buns. Instructions: 1. In a skillet over medium heat, cook the chopped onion and minced garlic until softened. 2. Add the ground chicken and cook until brown, stirring occasionally. 3. Add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, sesame oil, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Stir to combine all ingredients. 4. Continue cooking until the chicken is fully cooked and the sauce has thickened. 5. Remove the skillet from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. 6. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 7. Open the package of buns and separate them. 8. Spoon the chicken mixture onto each bun, filling it to the top. 9. Place the buns onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 10. Bake the chicken buns for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the buns are lightly browned and heated through. 11. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the chicken buns cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken buns.